Do you think we need all of those vending machines?
I do.
You do?
Yes, because going back in time, my son ate 24/7. So kids get hungry during the day, so I think it's great. But I would love to change the selection on the vending machines. I would just change it to like maybe P.F. Chang's. You could have, you know, P.F. Chang's, or maybe just chocolate, and everything would be very, very cheap. It'd be like 50-cent day, you know. And we would have things like Taco Bell, so you could get your gordito. You know, you're hungry for that gordito. Why can't you get it in school? I'm all about it. Go get that gordito so you can go through cell respiration.
When do you think is a good time for kids to go to the vending machine?
Well, now that's the key right there. I would say Falcon time before or after class. If someone's shaking in my classroom and I can definitely see that cell respiration has taken over their body, they're lacking that glucose molecule, then I might send them to the vending machine with a pass, of course, but not during class time to mess up their education.
What? Make it happen, Staley.